Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to discuss about the process of making a compost. The things which we can include in a compost are, are organic waste, such as fruit peels, vegetable peels, and all the stuff which are natural. And by making use of natural stuff, we can the the manure would the manure would be available in a very in a and grow in a way the plants can grow in a very good way but by using that manure. It is an inorganic organic way of farming. So the manure, rather than using chemical fertilizers, this is the easiest way by using organic manure. Switch to the chains and start making your own compost pit just to increase. Follow reality check with Karthik podcast and on Substack and on Spotify and on YouTube to learn insight to learn a lot of and business insights and finance insights, and you will thank me later for doing that. Is of your heart.